That is our today demonstration. I will show you in this class. So again I'm saying you the topic which I am gonna showing you is that last one of my students facing one interview, they ask in question, if there is a two policy, let's say wallpaper policy, it's applying on a same OU, then which one will be applied? This is very tricky question. Answer what will be, that I will show you in practical. Second things, they have told that one of my client is having requirement, uh, there is a network drive that should be mount to all the client machines, not manually through group policy. Is this possible? Then Blesson say yes. How it? I will show you in today practical. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, problem is that all the interview we are cracking first round, second round and third round, due to his huge package, all are rejected them. That is the problem. His package is near about 16 lakhs. You got my point? His package is near about 16 lakhs. And on this package, all the company are rejecting them. Last 4 months, he was getting 30 around interview. Can you imagine? All interview we are selecting first round, second round, and third round. That telling your package is matter. Let me check, is there any budget or not?
Means
Every
so HR round, in the HR round it got terminated, right?
exactly. So too much high package can make you a trouble.
Sir, what is the experience? Like how many years?
Near about 10 to 11 years.
So 10 to 11 years in 18, they don't deserve to be above 15 to 16 lakh.
That is not the problem. Even I'm telling you, I know that people with those who are in more than 30 lakhs package in Active Directory. But problem is that project budget. They are hiring for a project, but they don't have the budget that much. You got my point? Whenever they will call you, whenever people hire for the interview, it's not mandatory they have a huge budget. You got my point?
Yes, sir, totally.
Very rare case, if you have a extraordinary knowledge in AD, then they can fight for HR and at least try to grant you. But whenever you are normally you are trying to do, then definitely they can't, right? That is the problem. That's what I have controlled my fees, my salary that much. Whatever I am getting, that is fair enough in Kolkata. I am not interested to, even I am telling you, this is appraisal happen, right? So I told my manager, those who are less payout, at least try to give them promotion, try to increase them salary. If you have a budget, then only look into me. I am happy whatever. Then my manager say, I am looking for this kind of employee.
So Siddharth, before the starting the practical, so you know that I have faced I have faced a question that if the PDC emulator goes down, how would you troubleshoot? So freeze is only the option, or other way we can up and running that PDC.
PTC emulator down means they are saying that the PTC emulator roles running on a server, that is down.
Okay,
Actually,
okay.
you forget to catch up the question. You got my point. They are saying PTC emulator role that cannot be down automatically, right? So definitely it's showing means that PTC emulator. Then you have to ask question. Are you? What exactly you are trying to say? That means the PTC emulator roles running on the server, that server is crashed. Then you are asking me
Okay.
the troubleshooting. Then there is no troubleshooting. You have to seize the role and run it to other working domain controllers.
Okay, got it. So this is only the possibility, right?
Exactly, because role is inbuilt. You cannot do anything.
Hmm. So it cannot be down or it cannot be means the
It
server
is
would be down.
exactly. It is running on the server. The server, if it is not responding, then we do not have any option.
Hmm. Okay. And Chinmoy have some questions. Okay. So can I tell that question to you?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Any question
Yeah.
you can ask.
So yeah. So Chinmoy means asked a question in some interview maybe. Okay. So one user is already logging from a system. Okay. And client system. Okay. Client user. And that user also tried to log in from a different system. Okay.
Hmm.
So if will he can be log into the system or not?
Why not? He always try. So
Okay.
first of all, when let's say he's login, I'll show you. I'll show you that.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
It is not a big deal. If his AD account is locked, then he can't log into any system.
Hmm.
So
So one user can be logging from the multiple means system, right?
obviously,
Okay. So that is the this question. So Chinmoy, you got your answer, right?
I will show you. I will prove you
Hmm.
here. I will prove you here.
Hmm.
Hello.
Hello.
The theory part is done for GPU
No, no,
in
no.
this batch.
We are actually procuring the infrastructure.
Okay.
Siddharth,
Mm-hmm.
what is widget server? Means what is actually works?
Bridgehead server basically it is whenever you have a multi-site replication in AD, then Bridgehead server only the server among all these domain controller who's taking the responsibility to initiate replication. You got my point?
Okay, so these servers will initiate the changes, right? Replication changes.
Not initiate the changes, the replication he will initiate
Mhm.
between two different site, inter site.
Okay. Okay.
One bridgehead
Okay.
server will communicate
Mhm.
another bridgehead server and transmit
Mhm.
the replicate changes.
Okay. Okay. চিন্ময় আছো? হ্যালো, সিদ্ধার্থ, শুনতে পাচ্ছ আমার কথা?
Huh.
চিন্ময় কোথায় গেল? যাও তো।
Okay, Amarjit, did you join?
চিন্ময় কিছু কোশ্চেন থাকলে দাদাকে পড়ো।
ঠিক আছে একটা যখন
ইংলিশে
ক্লিয়ার
করো, ইংলিশে করো, ইংলিশে করো, তাহলে তুমি বলতে শিখতে পারবে, নাহলে মুশকিল আছে। যাই হোক না কেন, ইংলিশে করো।
So Amarjit, you have joined late, right? Okay. Hello. Fine. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
what exactly you are trying to do it? That is, there is an interview question that if there is a two same policy, same to same setting, two policy are applying on a same OU, which one will be applied? One question. Second question, I want to add multiple network drive. I mean, I want to add network drive multiple computer whenever user logged in. How will you create this through group policy? That is our hot topics. They will ask question in interview that I am showing you today.
Okay, sir.
In order to perform this, we need one domain controller and we need total two client systems.
Siddharth,
Yes, please.
thank you for pushing me.
Sorry.
Thank you for the push, na. You means give that push to me. For that's why I means crack the first round of interview to it quick.
Okay.
Oh, great news! Congratulations. So, you got the
No,
call from Wipro.
I have just cracked the first round of interview, and Monday will be the second round of interview will be there.
Oh, great. Best of luck.
Thank you.
So did you get call now?
Wipro, from Wipro.
Yes.
Yeah, they scheduled a call on Monday, 6 p.m.
Oh,
for
great.
the video calling.
Awesome. So what are the question I tell you that was helpful, Shovik?
Yes, actually, they first asked me what is FSMO. Okay, and tell me the description is what are the five FSMO role. I have to tell them in details. Okay. Then the second question I have got that if RID master and PDC emulator went down, then what will be the impact on the environment? So this is the second question I have got from them. Third question, if the PDC emulator down, which I already asked you, if the PDC emulator down, how can we troubleshoot? Okay. And the
Hmm.
fourth one question there is from replication. So they asked means replication cannot means we have created an object. We see that the replication means user didn't replicate it to the second domain controller. Okay, additional domain controller. What means how would you troubleshoot? Okay, and means then they asked me what is means how authentication procedure works on AD environment.
Wow.
this this question I have faced. I gave four answer correctly and two I didn't give them correctly.
I
So
have
one is partially correct. One is that authentication procedure is partially correct, but not fully correct. But
so that I have given you the question of series of question in WhatsApp. Did you prepare that?
yeah, I am preparing till means till now.
That is
Okay,
very
means.
important. They are asking question from
Hmm,
majority. Just read this.
I am continuously learning those things. Okay.
There is nothing alternative for knowledge. Everyone I'm saying you. Knowledge always make your parts full. Your parts will never empty if you have knowledge. Clear, simple, I'm telling you. So, knowledge, communication, it's very important. Try and try and try. There is no alternatives.
Oh, yeah. So they have asked me another question from GPO.
Hmm.
Okay. So that the question is that let's there are some users, means 50 users in a OU. Okay. And I want that a certain policy will be affected on the 30 people of that particular OU. So how would you implement that? So I told them that we will apply the security filtering on that particular for the particular users. We will create a group and add those users into the group, and then we will add the security means we will apply the security filtering.
Very good. So, if you get selected in Wipro, you can ask easily near about 8 lakhs. Easily they will give you. They will give you 8 lakhs minimum. 8,
Okay, okay.
8 lakhs
But
means
my package is not up to the mark, right? Means
that
current CTC.
that see if you get this interview crack, rest of
Hmm.
the things I will manage.
Okay, okay, okay. Let's see what happens. Finger crossed.
My blessing is all of you who are in
But
that.
I made a thing that I didn't take so much pressure. I do not take so much pressure for that interview. If I took pressure, na, then everything will be gone.
No, no,
I
no, no.
cannot
Don't
give.
take pressure. Don't take pressure. Life you will enjoy every moment of the life. See,
Actually, what happened, na? What happened for the Wipro? I didn't even means what could I say? I didn't expect that they will call me. Okay, it's certainly happened, and I certainly give those answer and tracked. This is the luck.
got it.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi. Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready.
So this month end you have a mock interview session, okay, this batch. So someone requested me that I don't know who forget 27. So
शेषाली शेषाली बोलते
yes. So I think next week we have an interview session, right?
या 27
Okay. Prepare everyone, please. Okay. Shovik, so I have one recommendation for you, not only you, everyone I am telling you, those who guys are preparing for the interview. So I am telling you some foods that will really help you. Okay. One is, nariyal water. I mean, David Jol,
कोकोनट वाटर
coconut water. Okay. Second thing is almond. So these two things, and third one is, what to say, that is akroot.
Okay.
So these things will help you to remember all those stuffs. It's not even that your brain will be mature. You will be 100%. Your brain will work 100%. Optimum level it will work.
For means I am taking means almond every day in the morning.
Yes, that will really not only almond and take a akroot and coconut water every day because potassium will help you and mature your brain.
Hmm.
Not only you, everyone it's recommending.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi Fi there, and we'll have your PC.
Acha. Now let's go to and create two policy. Hello, my voice is audible. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now what exactly I'm trying to do it? I will create two wallpaper policy. I will create two wallpaper policy, and as you know, wallpaper policy is user policy. Just deploy one wallpaper to the client system, and I will create one OU. I will move certain users over there, and I will apply those two policy in the same OU. And then answer question was, if the same policy apply on a same OU, the same kind of policy, same setting policy apply on a specific OU, which one will be applied? That is a question. So against what will be the answer? For clear answer, I will show you that practicals. For that only, I need two wallpaper that already I have. Let's download it. IBM 01, and second one is I think it's not allow me. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Is that not saved here? Where it is saved? Yeah, these two. Let's copy these two here and copy to my systems. So, and from there I will put into the sysball folder. C Windows, sysball, done, right? Well, let's check one by one. IBM 1 is the this one, IBM 2 will be that one, that hill picture. Very good. Let's create one wallpaper policy. First I will open dsa.msc and create one OU, and I will create couple of users. Okay, sorry, here I will create user Bapi Chinmoy Shovik these are the three users I built. Okay, let's open gpmc.msc. My voice is visible to everyone? I mean,
Yes.
okay. Expand domain. Let's create one user group policy. Wallpaper -01. There is a policy, and second I am creating another wallpaper -02 policy. Now each policy I will apply the setting. Clear? Let's go to edit, then go to users, administrator, desktop, enable active wallpaper enabled so that it can be compatible for JPG. second desktop wallpaper. I'll put the path. The first policy, that will be IBM 01 JPG I am giving. Clear?
Yes.
And second policy, same I will do that. Edit. Perfect. Got it? Now what I can do, I will apply these two policy one by one in these business users. Link existing policy wallpaper 01, link existing policy wallpaper 02. Now which one will be applied here, that we want to see. Okay. So first log in any of the user, those who are there in this particular OU. So let's log in with BAPI. So which one is it? Let's see. So IBM 01 is applying. Why? Why not 2?
Precedence is showing as 1.
Exactly. Very good. Amazing. So in that case, see that. This, if this is the question, there is a 2 group policy is applying on a specific OU, which one will be applied? So the precedence order, which one is lower, that policy will be applied. Now let's say I'll make the changes. I'll make 2 is in precedence 1. Got it? I am make the changes wallpaper 0 to precedence 1. Then I will change it gp update slash force. Okay, then check to the 01 this system. Okay, Shobik,
Yes.
the question you have asked, remember, one user can log in multiple system.
Hmm.
So in this system I have to whom I have logged in.
Baku.
Who am I in this system? To whom I am logging? Bapi.
Hmm.
See that the wallpaper was changed because I have changed the precedence. Is that
Hmm.
clear?
Yes.
Everyone, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Next practical, what we need to do, I want that in computer share, I mean, if I go to my computer, there will be a network drive attached. I will create one shared drive, and that net shared drive will be attached to all client system. So I will create one script and I will deploy this script through group policy. So question was that I want to be a shared drive mapped all these users, all these those who are login, the policy will be applied. Will that policy is possible? Then I say yes. Okay, how that can be done? So for that only I need to write one PowerShell script. Just a minute, let me check that. Okay, I have pasted one script in group. Let's copy that. It is a PowerShell command. What exactly the command do? So I have first declare one variable drive letter z. Then I'll tell you variable remote path that. Get list of all user profile on that system. So $user profile get WMI object class W Win32 user profile. where object special is true. Loop through each user profile and attach network drive. So for each user profile, in user profile, like that, this is the function, and finally the script will deploy. Okay, got it? So that script I will deploy through PowerShell, but before that I have to create the network drive. Got it? So let's go to, I am attaching one drive here. Then after I have to go to disk mgmt.msc. No, not come. Perfect, done, clear. Okay, now here I will create one folder. Just mention data. Hello, my voice is audible to everyone?
Yes, yes.
Just go to the sharing, click on share, give them everyone rights, or give them domain user. So it's shared, right? Now what will be the network path? Network path will be // dc name / data. That will be my network path. I want that to be attached all those system. There is a PowerShell script. You need to learn PowerShell, okay? Because how I did it, because I know PowerShell, that's what. So put the share path here. Clear? Put the share path here. So it will be it will mount this drive to Z drive. Okay, it will mount this drive to Z drive. Let's save this with .ps1 extension. Save as in desktop auto network auto share. Script name is auto share .ps1. .ps1. ps1 will be the PowerShell saving extension. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. So normally let's see whether any drive is there. So right now I do not have any network drive. So what I can do, right click this run and see. Okay, let's see the drive has been created or not. No, it's not created. So let's open PowerShell run as administrator. Change your directory to this folder path and then try to run this command. Yes, it's saying get next variable drive letter. The term get next letter is not recognized. The name of CMD late. Function script operable program path was incorrect. Try again. Okay, no problem. Let me try another script. Hold on. Okay, this is another script. So I'm telling you what exactly the script do. There is a variable. I'm taking dollar drive letter. That is my variable. So drive letter will be Z. Drive letter itself words. I am variable. What to say? I'm declaring that variable dollar drive letter. Dollar remote path is the share path. Then dollar credential get credential message. Enter your username and password for authentication. Got it? So you have to put your enter username password. After you want to do that, then it create new drive with the specified drive letter remote path credential. So new drive letter password, that part, check whether the drive was successful map. If not, okay, fine. So let's say that save as SCR folder, new drive, simple, dot ps1, then run the command, this one, variable reference is not valid, $I was not followed by the valid variable number character, consider using $$ to delimit the name. So let's open ISC. This is an integrated scripting environment where we will learn the script.
Sir, here is create new storage drive is
বলো।
বলছি স্যার এখানে যে নতুন যে ড্রাইভটা ক্রিয়েট করেছেন সেটা ড্রাইভ নেমটা ই আছে।
আচ্ছা, কোথায় ড্রাইভ নেমটা ই আছে? কোথায় আছে?
যে স্টোরেজ ড্রাইভটা যে ক্রিয়েট করেছেন।
না না, ওটা যাই থাকুক না, ওটা তো আমি শেয়ার করেছি। আমি তো পাতায় গিয়ে দেখো, ইফ আই গো টু হিয়ার, এখানে আমি এটা ফোল্ডারটা শেয়ার করেছি না, আমি তো শেয়ারিং পাত্তা দিচ্ছি, আমি তো ইটা দিচ্ছি না, বুঝতে পারছো? ইফ আই গো টু শেয়ারিংয়ে যাও, দেখো আমি শেয়ারিং পাত্তা দিচ্ছি। ড্রাইভ যা থাকুক না, আমি লোকালে দিয়ে আমার রান করবে, থরি করবে না। এই দেখো, দেখেছো স্ক্রিপ্টটা রান করেছে। এবার তোমার কাছে ইউজার আইডি পাসওয়ার্ড চাইবে, তোমার কাছে এখান থেকে চাইবে ইউজার আইডি পাসওয়ার্ড। তো তুমি যেই এখানে ইউজার আইডি পাসওয়ার্ড দিয়ে দেবে, এটা কি হবে, তোমার সিস্টেমের মধ্যে গিয়ে দেখো লঞ্চ না, কি হলো না, নেটওয়ার্ক নেম কুড নট বি ফাউন্ড। দেখি একবার, অ্যাটাচ তো হলো না। নিউ PS ড্রাইভ, দ্যাট নেটওয়ার্ক নেম কুড নট বি ফাউন্ড। আচ্ছা, জেড ড্রাইভ বলে কি, দেখি জেড ড্রাইভ বলে এখানে কিছু কিছু আছে কিনা। New PS drive, the network name cannot be found. Okay, just a minute. अच्छा, let's see will that work or not. But this is not a PowerShell, okay? This is a VB script. This is a VB script. It is not a PowerShell, it's a VB script. So first it will dim object network, dim start driven letter, star remote path, drive letter and remote path, network drive, okay. Create an object for network operation. Check if the network path drive is already exist, fine, or else it will be clean up object, no object network, fine. So let's save this with, save as with auto path, just auto path, and it will be saved with as .vbs format, .vbs format. Got it? Auto path. And now let's do that. Click on, right click on this. Oh my god, wrong number of argument, invalid property, assignment, Microsoft VB script, wrong number, code 10AC2. Object operation. Let's check whether is the problem. This is a small 4-liner code. Let's see whether it is working or not. just one liner code. Drive letter will be Z. Okay, so hold on. Z. If I click on run, a new PS drive cannot process the drive name, because the drive name contains one or more of the following character that are not valid.
Sir, GC 01 is the IP address here, but take.
Second, if I run this to my, let's see. Okay. Why it is not allow me to copy? Does it not install Beamer tool? It's accessing, then why it is not taking? Strange. Let's open CMD, run the command net space use jade colon Acha, it's done. Let's see that path is mapped or not. Let's see that path is mapped or not. See that jet drive added, jet drive added. Clear?
Yes.
So let's remove that one. So based on that script, I will create one batch file and I will deploy that batch file through group policies. Clear? Got my point?
Okay.
So open notepad, just put the command here, simple, save desktop, all users, all files, auto path, that will be name dot bat. That means whenever I run this, it will be attach on background this path. Got it? Again I select, right click, disconnect. That will be my script that I will down through group policy. Clear? So meanwhile, basically what exactly do we will deploy this script through user policy and I will deploy through a group policy. That is actually basically doing. Simple. There is nothing such critical. So let's open /ibm.com sysvol and put the file there. I think it will not allow me. Go to policy, paste the files. Okay, no problem. Just copy that file, go to your DC. Okay, now what you can do, just copy that to sysvol folder, because it's a domain share folders. Got it? Got it? This is the path. Normally I save it here, but not required. Now what I can do, I will create one group policy. Let's say I'm not putting it here, leave it. I'll putting it here cart, and I'll putting it in desktop. Fine. Now what I can do, I will create one policy, user policy. Remember, I will create one user policy, gpmc.msc. Hello, everyone is able to see my screen?
Yes.
Let's create a group policy, auto path, automatic path. That is my group policy name. Right click on settings, edit. What I am trying to do it, remember I am trying to deploy a script that will be hit on user logon time. That will be hit on users logon time. Clear? So what I can do, so let's do on, you have to open that, copy the serial path, go to C Windows, sysvol, policy, and search that policy. And what I can do, I will put it on users. So in that case, what I can do, right click here, edit, policy, Windows, script, logon script. I'll put it here, logon script. Once I do this, nothing to do. Once I do this, you will see in this path, log off option will become. In this logon path, you have to put the users, that script, auto path. Now what I can do, now go to again this policy, right click, edit, policy, Windows settings, script, add. You will find out that auto path will be there. Now this is the policy I have created. Just policy. Now what I can do, I will apply this policy to my business users. Those are the users are part of this OU. When they are login, this will be applied to their desktop. To their user profiles. A link existing GPO, click on auto path. Got it? Now in laptop 01, so what I can do, I will run the command gp update/force. So I'll log in with Chinmoy. Let's see the policy will apply or not. Here I go. Just see that it is applying. He can create one files there. He can create one folder there. Did you see? Did you see everyone? That network policy is applied to Chinmoy. Let's log in with these machines. I will log in with new user who's there. Shovik. See, clear? So he can create profile here. Shovik. But this is how you can achieve a domain policy, and you can create a script. You can attach this script to a group policy, and then you can set that policy to user logon. Whenever any users log in, that policy will be applied. That user must be the part of that view where the policy is linked. Got it? If you are removed from there, then this policy will not be applied. Got it? Any doubt?
Yes.
Any question, everyone?
I have something doubt, but I need to check the video once again. After that, I will ask.
Sure, not a problem.
Yeah.
In case if you have any doubt, you can ask me question.